It is a wireless door chime. The remote control distance of the wireless door chime can reach 200 meters long. The surface finishing of the wireless door chime can be piano black or white. Like this one, it is piano white. Let's test the sound. The sound quality is very good. Well, there's a flashing light when it is working. It is power supplied by batteries. For the door chimes, you can send your favorite music to us before production. Then we can input the music into this door chime. The packaging of the wireless door chimes is double blister, just like this one. If you still have any question about the wireless door chime, you can log on our website www.quhwa.com. Thank you.